In this video, I'm going to show you how to view two documents side by side in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do once you have your first PDF open is actually open up the second one as well. Now, you can go to this plus icon here and just open it up, or you could go to top left, File, and then just open one from here inside your recent files or whatever. Now, when you have two separate documents, all you have to do is just basically click on one of them, hold down your mouse button, and drag it out like this. And as you can see, this will pop up here on the screen. Now what this will do here is it's going to allow you to kind of see things in split screen, so you can put this at the top, you can put it at the bottom, right, or middle. So let me show you. If I put this to the right, for example, as you can see, I'm now viewing two different documents side by side over here. So this one on the left here was the first one, and then when I click on here, this one gets activated and this one is now active, and both are now inside my PDF XChange Editor over here. Now of course you could also put them like this. So if I go and open this again, you could also put it like at the top here, so we can view top to bottom, but of course you can select whichever method you prefer. So that's basically how to view two documents at once. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.